So what's up, everybody? This is Justin over here from GPE. It's a little bit noisy, but there's all this construction going on next to my job, so don't trip. So in this box I have the original turbo off the Kia Optima. It's pulled at 90,000 miles, and let's just see how bad it is. Now, for reference, it was spitting oil from everywhere, just tons of oil. So the car has been down for a long time. Shout out to Overkill Performance, the plug. Shout out to the plug for taking care of the turbo swap on the Optima. They had to drop the subframe to do it. So glad I didn't even attempt to do that from my driveway. That would have sucked. Anyway, let's get to it. Here's the turbo here. Let's take a look. See what we can see. But not there. We'll start with the exhaust side first. Maybe. This thing, let's go. Alright, so as you see, the electronic wastegate's removed. This is getting ready to go back to the place that I bought the replacement turbo from. XS turbos. I bought a rebuilt turbo. This is a stock one. As you can see, it's one piece. The manifold and turbo is all integrated. It's a wastegate flapper. Seems to sit pretty well. Now let's take a look at this exhaust shaft. Let me reposition this a bit. Yeah, you can see right there, that's a bad look. Let's see. Oh, bruh. Ultra shaft play. Like, yeah, that's all bad. You can see it contacting the housing just straight up. I'm sure the compressor side is going to be even worse. Come on, Kia. Y'all could have done a better job. This only has 90,000 miles. Turbo should never be like that. Yeah, that's trash. So, here, actual manifold runners don't look that bad. I don't see any type of sign of warping. So, let's look here in the center shaft. Yeah. Alright. Moment of truth. Let's take a look at the compressor side. Here's the numbers just for reference. TD04 HL. This is I believe this is a Mitsubishi Heavy Industries turbo. It's the 16G variant, I believe. Remember that the Kia Optima actually shares a lot with the Evo in terms of parts. This is a twin scroll turbo. So yeah, let's see here. Yeah, that's trash. Yeah, this turbo is super done. So 90,000 miles. So how much did it cost to fix this? Kia quoted me $2,700 for a replacement turbo. I bought a remanufactured turbo for about $700, and that's including the core cost. So once again, shout out to Overkill Performance. I'll put their information as usual in the description box. Check them out on IG. If you want to see a lot of 1,000 horsepower builds in Sacramento, they handled it, man. Holla at them. So yeah, $700 for the replacement turbo. That's with I believe it's $150 core included. So that's actually not bad. $600 for a remanufactured turbo with some sort of warranty on it. It's far better than Kia would have given me. This again came off the 2013 Kia Optima turbo. That's the SXL. And it is already dust at about 90,000 miles. So I looked for turbo upgrades. There really wasn't anything besides going with like a billet compressor wheel, which the forums say there's really no point. You'll be in boost about 100 RPMs quicker. Other than that, it's kind of pointless. So I just got the standard rebuild for the remanufacture. So that's about it. This one's kind of short and sweet. I'm gonna go ahead and box this up, get this shipped off back to XS Turbo, and yeah, hopefully you guys have better situation than I did with this turbo. Flip it one more time. The situation really sucked. How did the car feel with the turbo blown? The car completely jerked around, didn't want to do anything. It was undrivable, plumes of smoke coming out of it. That was before the turbo, or rather before the engine went in, the brand new engine. You have an engine in it now that has 50 miles on it, brand new from Kia. And so we also have a remanufactured turbo that's installed on the car by Overkill. And now the car's like brand new again. So honestly, probably keep the car for about 50K and then dump it. I'm not gonna allow what happened at 90K to happen to us again. It just seems like it's trash. So we'll get what we can out of it and keep it moving on to the next car. All right, so that's been the update of what's going on with this turbo. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Like, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you guys in the next video. And until then, this is Justin signing out from GPE. Peace.